Welcome back, beauties. I'm here with one of my favorite go-to protective low manipulation style. To begin, I'm using my favorite leave-in Kinky Curly Not Today. Also, first time, the Swift Set, and of course, the OG, the Curling Custard. It's finished. So sad. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil Pure Butter, 100% Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is for my edges. And of course, we need a brush because we're going to smooth shit out. And one of my favorite detangling brushes ever. Everything I used in this video will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to open it. I'm starting off on freshly co-washed hair. I always begin with my deep side part, or it can be a middle part. Today, I opted for a side part. My hair is not soaking wet. It's slightly damp. Usually when I do this style, I prefer to do it in the bathroom on soaking wet hair because I love how super smooth my hair comes out. But for the purpose of this video, my hair is just slightly damped. This was my first time trying the Kinky Curly Setting Lotion, and to be honest, I could have done without it, but I already used it. And this style will pretty much last me all week. I do not refresh it. I don't touch it. I just wait for the next wash day. And it literally will stay moist. No issues. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye, beauties.